Welcome to the Machine Learning Project tutorial portal. The first step in any successful machine learning project is to understand the business context. Before tackling technical details or writing any code, it's essential to identify your project's purpose. Every machine learning journey should begin with a specific, well-defined business problem. This understanding of the business problem should guide all your decisions, serving as your North Star. To gain this clarity, you should answer 4 essential questions before starting any data science project. The first is the why. Identify the main goals behind the project, the objectives of your analysis, and the specific aim for your machine learning model. Setting a clear objective and end goal makes your task easier. Next, consider the what. This involves defining the nature of the problem. What are the key observations or data features that represent the actual issue? Clearly state the variables involved and identify the evidence that highlights the problem's scope and importance. The third question is the who. Identify all stakeholders with a vested interest, including anyone directly or indirectly affected. Understanding who is impacted helps you create solutions that are relevant and accepted. Consider the critical decisions each stakeholder faces and how your project outcomes can inform their decision-making. Finally, what's the impact? Focus on the expected benefits of solving the problem. Consider the broader effects on the business, stakeholders, and the long-term direction. Clearly state the main benefits your project will provide. Thoughtfully addressing these critical questions will help you deliver an outstanding project. Invest effort upfront. Build a strong foundation. Set yourself apart and ensure success. If you need help answering these questions, be sure to make use of the AI assistant on this page.